In the vastness of space, 124 light-years away, lies a planet that has stirred the hopes of scientists and dreamers alike. K2-18b, a planet that may hold the secrets of life beyond Earth. But is this promise backed by science, or is it just another cosmic illusion? The story begins with the Kepler Space Telescope, NASA's first major planet-hunting mission. Kepler looked for small dips in a star's brightness, which could indicate that a planet had passed in front of it. Through this method, it discovered thousands of exoplanets, including the mysterious K2-18b. K2-18b caught scientists' attention because of its location. It orbits in the habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. And where there's water, there might be life. But there was a catch. Kepler could only tell us that the planet existed. It couldn't tell us what it was made of. Kepler was limited to optical wavelengths and couldn't analyze planetary atmospheres. It was like discovering a distant island but not being able to see what lives on it. The data was fascinating, but incomplete. That's when the torch was passed to a more powerful observer. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched in 2021, became the next big step in this journey. Unlike Kepler, JWST observes in the infrared. This allows it to see through dust, detect heat, and most importantly, analyze the chemical composition of atmospheres light-years away. JWST turned its eye toward K2-18b, and the data it returned sent ripples through the scientific community. It found something astonishing, clear evidence of water vapor in the atmosphere. Water vapor, one of the essential ingredients for life. But that was just the beginning. Next came methane and carbon dioxide, two gases that, on Earth, are often associated with biological activity. And then, a faint trace of something even more intriguing, dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, DMS is produced only by living organisms, specifically by marine phytoplankton. The presence of this molecule raised eyebrows. Could this be the first indirect sign of life beyond Earth? One of the key scientists behind this groundbreaking analysis is Dr. Nikku Madhusudhan, an Indian-origin astrophysicist from the University of Cambridge. For years, he's been developing models of exoplanet atmospheres and proposing the idea of Hycean planets, ocean-covered worlds with hydrogen-rich atmospheres. K2-18b fit this theory. It's larger than Earth, with a thick hydrogen envelope and the possibility of a global ocean underneath. If Hycean worlds can support life, then the universe might be full of potential life-bearing planets we once overlooked. Dr. Madhusudhan's work has shown that the right combination of temperature, pressure, and atmospheric chemistry could create habitable conditions even on planets that don't look like Earth. Still, there are reasons to be cautious. The DMS signal is faint. It hasn't been confirmed with certainty, and scientists are wary of jumping to conclusions. There are also abiotic ways, non-living processes, that can sometimes mimic the signs of life. Adding to the uncertainty is the star K2-18b orbits. It's a red dwarf, smaller and cooler than our Sun, but more active. Red dwarfs frequently release powerful flares that can strip away atmospheres and expose surfaces to harmful radiation. If K2-18b doesn't have a strong magnetic field or protective layers, it could be a hostile place for life. Yet despite these risks, K2-18b remains one of the most promising candidates for extraterrestrial life. It's not just the presence of water. It's the balance of gases, the potential temperature range, the possibility of oceans, the hints of life-related molecules. And it has captured the imagination of people around the world, not just for what it is, but for what it represents. It marks a shift from asking, are there planets like Earth, to could life exist in ways we never imagined? Dr. Madhusudhan's involvement is also a source of inspiration, showing how scientific curiosity transcends borders. His leadership in the study of K2-18b brings together expertise from around the world in a shared quest for answers. This is just the beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope is only in its early years of operation. More data is being collected, more atmospheric models are being refined, and future telescopes like LUVOIR and HabEx promise even deeper insights. We may be on the verge of a historic discovery, one that redefines our place in the cosmos. K2-18b could be the first chapter in the story of finding life beyond Earth. Or it might simply remind us how rare and fragile life really is, even when the conditions seem just right. Either way, it has already changed how we explore, how we question, and how we wonder. This search continues. And with every step forward, planets like K218b bring us closer to answering humanity's greatest question. Are we alone?